All right, let's take care of part B. We have 1 over x. In radical, we have 1 minus ln x squared. So 1 minus ln x squared looks like the difference of squares. So let's write that carefully. X. So 1 squared minus ln x squared dx. So going back to our table of integrals involving inverse trig functions. So this looks like the very first integral because here the very first term is a number and then the next term in the difference is a variable. So this is totally different from this setup here, right? U squared minus a squared versus a squared minus u squared. So this looks like the very first integral. And by the way, you can also find the same integrals in this formula card here that I call it like basic integration rules here. So number 18, 19, and 20, right? Right here. So these guys are exactly what we're using for these exercises in this question. Okay. So let's try to understand what's going on here. So you have ln x here. So that means that I may start calling ln x to be u because we have to convert this integral to the u version of that by a u substitution. And the good news is that du afterwards, it's going to be dx over x. Okay. Even though this looks like this integral looks like arc-secant type integration, but it's not because dx over x, as you see, dx over x now is going to be replaced by du over, so dx over x first of all is du, and the leftover bottom is 1 squared minus u squared, okay? So in other words, in this case, a equals 1, right? A equals 1 and u equals ln x. So we exactly know what kind of integral we expect, right? This is arc sine, going back to again with this formula, this is arc sine u over a plus c. So we can go ahead and write arc sine u over a plus c, okay? And this is equal to arc sine ln x over 1, which is just ln x plus c, okay? So let me just write this carefully, ln x plus c, okay? And this is the value of this indefinite integral. We again used a u substitution together with the use of formula for integrals involving inverse trig functions. Okay. All right. So we have another part left. Please move on to my next video to see what I'm going to do in part C. All right. Bye.